This is Dr. David Render, and on today we'll be delving into rooting out Nazism. There's so many things in this world that are very detrimental, critical, uh, just not good in today's time. We would even say the social collective. We would say people all in the earth that's mixed with different nationalities, creeds, cultures, different things like that, and have different state, national, country, international leaders to be able to hopefully bring about democracy or some sort of governing body where people can get along, uh, deal with certain issues in a certain methodical, strategic, mindful way. I want to be able to speak dealing with Hitler and other uh, Nazis that had came into a movement. Hitler being born in the late 1800s, and you would see more of Nazis, this ideology and belief system, the rise in the 20s and 30s, and then coming into the major world wars, and a lot of battle that it went on. So there is a model of expansion of territory and an elimination of indigenous inhabitants therefrom. We've seen this dealing with uh, black people. We've seen this dealing with Jews historically, with racist immigration laws and banning some races, spanning from the past in history leading up to now in America. Dealing with Hitler, putting forth Mein Kampf, Hitler brought forth this ideology, what was seen with such prejudice and racism in America, to really model that, dealing with just racist citizenship statues in the 20s, 1920s, that is. And there were just so many things that was demeaning, demoralizing, and xenophobic. And when I say xenophobic, just those things that are not known to be viewed and coming into a surveillance, if you will, things not foreign, but wanting to eliminate things. This could be anything dealing with uh, a people you may not be familiar with, or maybe certain traditions that people do, or cultural things, or even certain social norms. But there's just beliefs that we don't want to see it there. We don't want it there, and we want it off. We want it off of the earth. So Hitler definitely brought forth this ideology and a lot of different groups within that to really try to do some very serious damage in the earth. So within these beliefs and ideologies that he said, definitely what had happened, Hitler, and what we've even seen dealing with American white nationalists or white supremacists, this ideology of this hierarchy that's better or more above other races, uh, is coming to the ending and changing and shifting, in some ways rising, but also as well, people are coming more into a progressive mind. There are extreme right beliefs that are in the earth, but definitely we've been coming together, and with thanks to the internet and the social collective, the social mind, coming to one operation to really stomp people like Hitler out and those ideologies and beliefs that really is not going to be beneficial to humanity. This is Dr. David Render. Thank you so much for listening to Rooting Out Nazism. Thank you.